Good morning, students. Now, see, here is knowledge check. Here is knowledge check. Do this one? No. Why? All of you learned this one previously. Then why don't do this? Now, start doing this. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Okay. An example of matter that we cannot see is air. In solids, the molecules are tightly packed. Liquids flow from a higher level to a lower level. Write down yourself. Liquids flow from a higher level to a lower level. Now come to today's lesson. Solubility. This is a new word to you. Solubility. Solubility of a substance refers to its ability to dissolve in another substance to form a uniform mixture. We have already learned in the previous classes that the substance that dissolves in another substance is called a solute. The substance in which the solute dissolves is called a solvent, and the mixture formed is called a solution. So, in short, we can say the solute and solvent when mixed, then they make a solution. Okay. Now, solubility of solids in water. Solids like salt and sugar easily dissolve in water. These are called soluble substances. When soluble substances are added to water, they break down into individual molecules that spread and arrange uniformly in between the water molecules. Such a solution is called a uniform solution. Okay. Some solid substances like sand, chalk powder and tea leaves do not dissolve in water. They are called insoluble substances. So, here is two types of substances. Number one is soluble or uniform substances, and number two, insoluble substances. Now, take these items from the kitchen and check whether they dissolve in water or not. Fill this box yourself. Fill this box yourself. Salt dissolved, did not dissolve. Salt is dissolved or not? Yes. So, put down the tick here. This is dissolved. Jeera powder dissolved or not? No. This is so did not dissolve. Just like you fill up this chart. Now, solubility of liquids in water. Liquids like milk, glycerine and alcohol easily dissolve in water. Such liquids are called miscible liquids. What is called? Miscible liquids. Some liquids do not dissolve in water. They are called immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids. Examples of immiscible liquids are oil and petrol. So, here is also two types of liquids. Miscible, which one mix with the liquids very well, and number two, immiscible liquids, which one not mixed in liquids, not dissolves in liquid also. Okay. Then solubility of gases in water. Gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen dissolve in water. Aerated or carbonated drinks have carbon dioxide dissolved in water under high pressure, which gives a drink its fizz. Aquatic plants and animals survive in water because of the dissolved oxygen in it. Aquatic plants also use the dissolved carbon dioxide to make food. It means to make food for photosynthesis, the food making process. Okay. Now come to this box. Water is known as the universal solvent because it can dissolve more substances than any other liquid. So which one is universal solvent? Water. Not all solids melt on heating. Some of them burn, such as paper or fabric, producing residue like ash. Okay, for today up to here. Okay. Do this in your home by yourself. Okay.